guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Bare Minerals Custom Foundation. So if you want to see how this product works and if it actually gets close to my skin color, then just keep watching. So I received an email from Influencer, which is a company that I work with to get free products in exchange for posting reviews. And they actually had a contest to win the Bare Minerals Custom Foundation. So I did enter it, and I think it was multiple people won, not just one person. But I did end up getting it. So I did get this for free, but I wanted to review it to see if it worked. So basically what it is it's the Bare Minerals Made to Fit Foundation. So what you do is you download their app, which is called Bare Minerals M2F, so made to fit. And then basically what you do is well, I've already done it, so it's not going to ask me to do the prompts, but it basically has you use your camera to get your skin tone. So it'll have you do it against a white paper, so that way it can register the color. I don't know exactly how it does it, but then it has you tap it on your wrist, it has you tap a couple places in your face so that it gets your color, and then that's how it gets your custom color. So I did get this. Originally it is $49. I believe I ended up paying 50 something, well, would have paid 50 something because of the shipping, but then when I entered my code for getting it free, I obviously got it free. So this is what it came in. It's just a box, and then you open the box and it has their information, the made to fit, match your match foundation, and then the foundation. What I did not know that it did, which I could have just read it on the app, but I obviously wasn't paying attention enough. Oh my gosh, come out. So what I think is really cool is it actually says made to fit for Georgianne. So it has my name on the front, has my name on the back, which I think is awesome. So this is the foundation and what it looks like. The package is a frosted glass, which I really like. It's nice and heavy. And then you lift it off and it does come in a pump. So we're going to test this out, see if it did get close to my skin color. Obviously, it probably isn't going to get exact. I mean, it's supposed to, but I don't have high hopes for it getting exact. So it's supposed to be a lightweight liquid formula that's supposed to provide a naturally radiant finish. It contains nourishing ingredients to hydrate and smooth your skin for an instantly younger looking, more beautiful you. The coverage is sheer to medium. Oh, I didn't notice that part. I like full coverage, but maybe if it says full or sheer to medium, maybe I can at least build it up to the medium. We're going to test that out. I did already prime with my Smashbox Primerizer, which is just my typical go-to. So I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand. So I should shake it up just to make sure. Alright. Ooh. Alright, already on my hand it looks too dark. So I'm going to do half of my face with a brush and then the other half with a sponge. So I'm just gonna put it on, yeah. Alright, so it's too dark. But it's not like extremely too dark, but it is darker than my face, so. Actually, this might work. So the drops and like on my hand, like you can even see my hand difference. It looks way too dark. But I think because it's a sheer coverage that it's getting the color closer. Alright, I already know I do not like the brush. I don't like sheer coverage, so that just made no sense for me. The brush sheared it out even more than sheer, so we're going to use a sponge instead. We're going to try to build this up. So this is definitely sheer to barely medium. I did build it up. I put quite a bit of foundation on. And one thing that's nice is building this up and it still feels lightweight even though I've put a lot on. I'm going to try to put just a little more on my really problem red spots. And just really lightly put it in. Okay, there we go. So I would definitely say it is for sure sheer to medium. I do think you can build it up to the medium coverage. So I obviously have a lot of redness here and right here on both spots. And so I have put a lot of layers on, but putting just a little bit more and very, very lightly right here did get it to cover the majority of the redness. I can still see a little peeking through. So I think if you have like redness like me, or you have even more intense redness, I would stay away from that. If you do want sheer to medium, I do think it's actually pretty nice so far. Obviously, I will put in the description box down below how it wore throughout the day. I am going to set it. I don't care if it says you don't need to. I didn't look. I don't know if it does, but I'm going to set it regardless because of my redness. I just feel it helps with my redness for it to stay longer. So I'm going to go ahead, do the rest of my makeup, and then I will be back for my final thoughts. Okay, so now that my makeup is done, like I said before, I will put it in the description box how it lasted throughout the day, but I don't really love this. I think this foundation is really nice for me, for a no makeup day. So the days where I don't really care that my redness is coming through, but I still want to cover and dim it down a little bit. Those are the days that I think I would wear this. I still think it feels really nice on the skin. It feels like it's not even on my skin, which is really nice for me because I do have dry skin, and so I so far don't see it clinging to my dry patches. For people that do like sheer coverage, sheer to medium, I think you would like this foundation. For people who want more medium to full, you're not gonna want this unless it's a no makeup day. But to me, $49 is not worth the no makeup days. But like I said, if you are a person that likes sheer to medium coverage, but you need something that's hydrating and lightweight, you will like this. Like I said, I don't feel it on my skin. Only thing I feel right now is because I just set my face, so I feel the wetness. But other than that, I did not feel this really on my skin, and I did build it up as much as I could. I think I have probably 5 layers at least where my redness is, and it doesn't feel heavy where I did that, and so far it doesn't look cakey. Like I said, I will put it in the description box if it does end up getting cakey or clinging to my dry patches or just fading throughout the day, which, because it's already showing some of my redness, I don't want it to fade. So that is all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.